Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation video with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first of all let's import 3D models. Choose 4 models: desk, keyboard, monitor and mouse. Then import. So guys, before we jump back in, quick thing that saved me so much time in my 3D workflow. When you work with 3D motion graphics in After Effects, you know the pain: models, textures, edge arrays, renders, spread across project, and your folder turn into chaos fast. So what I use is Blueberry AI. It's not just a storage tool, it's actually built for managing complex 3D and video assets across different projects and workflows. For example, instead of manually searching through folders, I can just type something like metal sci-fi texture and instantly find the exact assets I am looking for. It's AI semantic search, auto tagging, image search. So finding stuff takes seconds, not minutes. Another thing I really like is that I can preview 3D models directly in the browser. I can just open my assets, rotate it, no downloading, no opening heavy apps, just to see what is it. And size, everything is automatically tagged and organized. It makes it way easier to manage assets across different projects without losing track or accidentally make duplicate versions. And when something changes, version management keeps it clean. See the history, grab an older version, or upload and update without starting a new file thread. If you are working in a team or studio and you are just tired of assets chaos, I definitely recommend check out. You can book a demo and get your free trial, and the link on the description below. Now let's back to tutorial. So let's drag and drop into composition these 3D models and click OK. Again OK. Okay, so first let's add light. Right click, new, and go to light. I will choose environment light and cast shadow enable. Click OK. Then let's choose EXR image, drag and drop into composition. So let's hide interior image and choose environment light, open inside, go to source and choose image. Okay, that's good. So in this time let's choose this desk, go to solo. Okay, this is my desk model and let's move it down like this. Then let's go to quality, choose quarter. For now choose this keyboard model, press S, change scale and move it up, and let's change scale more. Go to view, choose custom view 3. Okay, and press C, change perspective view and zoom to here. Okay, and let's choose monitor and move it up. Let's move to back. Okay, and keyboard, let's move to here and move to down. And mouse, press S, change scale, move it up, change scale more. Okay, not bad. Let's move to down a little bit like this. Also this mouse. Okay, and this monitor. So our scene is preparing down, and now let's create animation keyframes. Let's back to active camera. So time to create camera. Right click, new and camera, and presses I will use 50mm and OK. So let's right click, go to camera and create orbit null, and let's hold alt double click this icon for move the anchor point center, clickation tool, and press P. Let's move it down. Okay, and we can press C for zoom to more. Again press C for change perspective. Okay, that's perfect. So in this time choose null, press P, and I will animate camera like this. Let's change view like this. Okay, and also choose these elements: mouse, monitor and keyboard. Let's press P and move it up. So in this time let's go to here, go to 3 seconds and create new position keyframes for all models. and choose these keyframes, move to left. Okay, also choose null, press P and create new passing keyframe, move to first second, and now let's move to down camera for C desk, and also keyboard, let's move to down, let's zoom to for C details. Okay, and monitor, let's move to down, and mouse, move to down. Okay, so right now choose these keyframes and make it easy. Go to graph editor and make it smooth graph for filing animation. Let's choose work area. Okay, this very slowly. Let's back to keyframes and choose these keyframes, move to left, also camera. Let's right click keyframe ease and move to left here, go to graph editor and make it smooth graph. Okay, back to keyframes, choose all keyframes, move to left for more speedily. Okay, that's not bad. And go to graph editor, choose these last keyframes and move to right. Nice. Back to keyframes and go to last keyframe and go to 3 keyframes, 1 to 3. For go to frame by frame keyframes, you can press page on keyboard. And first, let's choose this keyboard, monitor and mouse. Let's zoom to here and move it up a little bit for bounce animation after failing. Again, go to 3 keyframes, 1 to 3, and move to down for 3 keyframe, 1 to 3. Okay, let's see. This is for bounce animation. Nice. And also choose this monitor, move to right, and mouse, move to right. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's choose these last 3 keyframes and move to left for more speedily. Okay. And for final, let's move to left again. I want to perfect timing for failing animations. And this, let's move to here. Also this mouse, move to left. Okay, and choose this mouse. Let's go to graph editor and choose this graph. Let's move to left. Nice. Back to keyframes and choose all keyframes for camera and for other 3D models and move to right. Okay, and go to keyboard 3D model. Let's press R and go to here. Let's create X, Y, and Z rotation. Go to first second and change rotation like this. And Z rotation. Make it keyframes easy. Okay, and in this time, let's choose this monitor model, press R, open rotation, and go to here, create X, Y, Z rotation keyframes, go to first second, and change rotation keyframes like this. Okay, and make the keyframes easy, preview animation. Okay, and also mouse, press R, open rotation, go to here, create X, Y, Z rotation keyframes, go to first second and change rotation like this. Nice. Choose these rotation keyframes and also make it easy. And let's last keyframes move to right. Okay, that's good. Let's see full animation here for 5 seconds. Okay. So, in this time, choose this camera and let's see timing. Okay, we can choose this let's keyframe for move to here. Nice. And now let's choose this null object position and go to back for one keyframe. You can use page up for create one keyframe and create new position keyframe and go to here and move to like this. Also here, let's see. Nice. And now we can delete the second keyframe and choose this middle keyframe. Go to graph editor and let's right click keyframe velocity and enable continue. Let's write here 55. Click OK. We can move up a little bit for still camera animation. Okay, perfect. Nice. So back to keyframes and close these settings and right click new create solid layer, change color black, add name background, click OK. Move to behind of layer, go to FS Preset, search effect gradient ramp, use gradient ramp for background and ramp shape, choose radial ramp and swipe color, choose black and go to dark blue and start color. Let's choose like this, click OK and move to down these points. Okay, we can change a little bit like this and choose background, Ctrl D for duplicate. Let's delete gradient ramp, change name grid and go to FS Preset, search effect grid and use for grid layer and size form with slider, change slider form like this and border 3 and opacity, let's change opacity like this for technology background. Also search CC lens, use CC lens for grid and change size for fish eye effect. Let's see. Okay, not bad. So in this time let's go to FS Preset, search effect reptile and use CC reptile for grid and choose grid, press P and in this time let's choose orbit null, press P and create new position keyframe for grid, go to here and move up and make it keyframes easy. Let's choose work area. Okay, in this time choose reptile, move to up to grid and change expand down. Okay, and go to here. Let's change size for CC lens and create size keyframe. Go to here and for fix this problem, let's change CC lens like this. And also let's change size width. Okay, and choose this grid. Let's press S and go to here. Let's create new scale keyframe. Go to back and change scale and make the keyframes easy. Let's see. Okay, this is for field depth. Nice. So guys, thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.